so excited. All right, Amazon.com, DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2. Oh, there it is. All right, and click. And add to cart. And purchase. Oh yes, I can't wait. Maybe I should get some coffee. Yes, let's do that. Good coffee. What can I do now? I guess I better mow the lawn. I think it's here. There it is. Yes, 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 yes. Hey, guess what I got? Came in quick. Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna go with the big guy first. This is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2 drone. This is taped up tight. Let's use a handy dandy knife here to open this guy up. Alright, it says, before opening package, please note all drones returned once packaging is open will be subject to a minimum fee of 20%. We're not returning this. Not going to return it. Not going to happen. There it is. Proud new baby boy. Awesome. All right, so I purchased the Phantom 4 Pro version 2 on Amazon and had it shipped with free shipping. It did take a little time to come in. You can pick these up at Best Buy or their local stores. I just like using Amazon because it's a little more convenient. This was $14.98, so $1,498 for this is what it's currently going for. As new versions come out, the price will drop on this guy here. I have a link down in the description to Amazon if you want to go check out this drone and possibly pick one up yourself. All right, that's pretty cool. Back of the box is a back shot of the back of the drone. That's kind of neat. All right. It comes in a really nice styrofoam case. It says DJI Phantom on the front of it. The top of it, nice handle. Little weight to it. I'd say probably about 8 pounds roughly for that. A little clip here right on the front of it, and this releases the top like so. Come on. Oh, so trick here, you have to pull it open Pull it open, read the instructions that say to rotate. That unlocks it. Look at that. So excited! This is awesome. All right, so only a small amount of assembly required for this guy. So we have the controller here. I did the one without the screen because it's a couple $100 cheaper to go through without the screen, and all you use is either a tablet. It'll take, I think, up to a 10-inch tablet will fit in here. And yeah, so this way you can use the controller. You'll have your tablet here. Reviews that I've read, and we'll see. I'm going to try using a 10.1 tablet, Samsung tablet with it, but they said that the tablets will fall out easily if it's too big. So it does clip down nice and tight, but you can also put your cell phone in there too if you don't need that big of a screen. So this is a controller. It's got dual antennas, so that way it keeps a constant connection with your drone. Okay, controller, boom. The minimal assembly required with this guy right out of the box here. It is pretty much all together. Now this is a little bit bigger drone than some of them on the market. The reason I went with this one is, one, it's one of the newest. Number two, the camera on this guy is really nice. Has a stabilizer here. I'm going to take that off in a moment, but a stabilizer to hold it when it's traveling. And then here it is, battery on the back. Hopefully with a little bit of juice, otherwise I'm going to be really sad if I have to wait for that to charge to do my first flight. You get up to 30 minutes flight time, but I'm hearing about 25 to 28 is more realistic. So there's our drone. Obviously we have instruction manual in here, so make sure that you check that out. Blades, extra blades. So this takes 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they pop on onto here. Right, 8 blades in here, so you have 4 extras. You can purchase more of these blades at Best Buy, on Amazon, on the DJI website as well. Let's see, what else do we have in the box here? This is the charger to be able to charge the battery up. Okay, so you have your cable and your charger, and the battery just plugs right into this. Boom, you're charging. Okay, charge on board. You actually pop your battery out and it plugs in right there. So, and then your battery just pops back in. It is a smart battery, so it gives you a sensor to tell you where the battery level is at on there, which is really cool. That's nice. This case here, what's really nice is when you have your drone in there, you have room to actually slide a tablet in the side. If you have extra batteries, those will fit here and here. So they thought ahead to give you extra space for other accessories. Now, one of the things, it comes with one battery. With this, I just bought just the base unit. I didn't buy like the big package that you can buy on Amazon that has all the gear together. But one of the things, well, 2 things that I did purchase, and that is a 128 gigabyte SD card. And we love the Samsung brand, the Evo Plus. This red one you can only buy on Amazon. You'll see them in green, but the Amazon red ones are exclusive. No difference, okay? No difference between the red and green. I have that also linked down below in the description. These cards have been awesome for us, for photos, for videos, for everything that we've been recording on. They're good for everything. So 128 gigabytes will give us a lot of storage. It's way more storage than I need for this drone, because the drone is only going to record for about 25 to 30 minutes. So that's way more than I need. But if we're traveling, I don't have to worry about moving stuff off of it every single time I take it up and shoot. So there's a benefit. I purchased and received first as a teaser, and that is a backpack to carry the drone in, so I don't have to just carry around this styrofoam box with it in there. Now, here's the thing, it stays in the styrofoam box, but this bag is set up, let me unzip it here for you guys, but it is set up specifically for this drone, and the box actually sits right down in here. So you keep that styrofoam protection on it. Protection's good, always use protection, don't forget. And then, boom, like that. Drone is in there, have a nice backpack to carry it with. It's a larger drone, so this is not something that You're going to be able to do, take every single place with you. But it's pretty sweet. So there you go. Boom, batteries are at the top, or any other accessories. And then of course you have a pouch here in the back to throw any extra little stuff in there that you need to. But everything else with the drone, the controller, all of that will be inside here, nice and protected. So one last thing to share with you guys really quick. And this I actually ordered from Best Buy, just because they could get it here quicker. And that is the 7-piece filter kit. And yeah, Kelly just said it is cheaper. So a great deal. I'm hoping, I've seen great reviews on bestbuy.com for the Bauer brand. There are 7 different filters in here, from a green blue to an orange, your polarized, a UV filter, and then ND 4, 8, and 16. They make NDs that are darker than that, but I don't know that I'll need those. We'll see. So I'm going to start with this kit here. This pouch, after I put all these lenses in there, I can then roll this up and stick it in this outside part here. For the lenses, so you can see the different colors. So that I'm sure that, like these blue and this orange, it looks like they're a gradient. So you can probably do some fun stuff with that, and some artsy stuff. So we'll play around with it and just see what it does. But that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this ordering, receiving, and unboxing video of the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. I'm going to make sure his battery's charged up. I'm going to put this guy together, and let's go fly it. You ready? Let's go. All right, guys. Can you see me? Okay. All right. So we're going to do our first flight test. Turn this bad boy on here. We're gonna take her up in the air. Here we go. Successfully flown our drone. It's going to take a little getting used to, but can't wait to have some fun with it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, we hope you liked that video. If you did, please click the thumbs up, give us a like. Also, please subscribe to our channel. That way you get the most up-to-date videos that we put out. And please head over to Facebook and check out our Facebook group. It's called the Traveling Duo Adventures Community. Come on over and engage with us.